Okay, there goes 352.55 on service bound for Walsall. Here is 351.07. Service bound for Birmingham International. For anyone that doesn't know where I am, I'm at Bescot Stadium on West Coast Main Line. Okay, now arriving is the 11:11 London North Western Railway service bound for Wolverhampton. Shows the return of 352.55, which was the one we were on the way here.
Oh, did it just turn around?
Oh yeah, it's just turned around. Gets to Walsall and then just spins around, I guess. Okay, about ready to depart will be 352.55. Leading the 11:11 London North West. Thank you very much. Nice two-turn from the guard in the back of the in the back of the train there. Thank you very much. That's leading the service to Wolverhampton. Okay, now arriving will be the 11:22 West Midlands. No, I'm saying it just like the tannoy. Yeah, now arriving will be the 11:22 London North Western Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. Yep. In the way, it's 350.117. As also, we're about to have another 350 pass by on the service from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham International. That was 352.62. Okay, about ready to depart will be 351.17, leading the 11:22 London North Western Railway service bound for Walsall. That will most likely be the next service on this platform as well. Okay, about to have another 350 pass by on the service. So scary. On a service from Birmingham International to Trent Valley. In the way is 350.261. I can see a freight train. Happy New Year, freight train. Yeah, I forgot to say Happy New Year to you all, by the way. This is the first freight train of the year. How exciting. This looks like it'll be a GBRF Class 66. This is going from Bescot up Engineers Sidings to Totem North Yards. It's taking its time. Yeah. Oh, I can hear it. Here we go. 66751. It was called Inspiration Delivered. There you go, there's the first freight train of the year. Happy New Year. Okay, now arriving is the 11:41 London North Western Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. It shows the return of 3:51:17. Okay, about ready to depart will be 3:51:17, leading the 11:41 London North Western Railway service bound for Wolverhampton, coming from Walsall. Off it goes. Okay. Don't know whether you can just make out in the distance. There is the 11:52 London North Western Railway service bound for Walsall, coming from Wolverhampton. Oh, there's a lot of spray over there. Oh, what's that about? Don't know what that's all about. So leading the way is 3:52:46. Okay, now departing is 3:52:46, leading the 11:52 London North Western Railway service bound for Walsall, coming from Wolverhampton. As here we have a service coming from Rugeley Trent Valley bound for Birmingham New Street, 3:53:68. I did say it was going to Birmingham. Put my teeth into that. Did I say it was coming from Rugeley Trent Valley? I think I did, yeah. Well, I was right, but, you know. Right, we've got EWS 66188 there. No. Apologise if you can't see much, I can't either. I'm on my toes. Lamppost. There we go. It's just coming from the yard. speeding up. Right, that is a... This is an... I don't know how to describe it. It's a yard movement. Setting off somewhere, obviously. But I'm not quite sure where. If I can, I'll double check and tell you. But there you go, that was EWS 66188 funded by DB Cargo. There you go. It's pretty cool. Okay, now arriving.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings.
Thank you. Right, now arriving will be the 1323 London North Western Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. But here we have 35105. And here is the return of 35255. Cab road to depart will be the 1323 London North Western Railway service bound for Walsall, led by 35255. And that will then turn around as soon as it gets to Walsall. Oh. And become the 1341 London North Western Railway service to Wolverhampton. Okay. Now arriving is the 1341 London North Western Railway service bound for Wolverhampton, led by the return of 35255 for the 4th time today. Right. I'm going to get on this service now. Nope. Here we go. That's 66848 and course for our freight level. That's 66304. 08460, 08670. Now, if we look over here,
We are now approaching Tame Bridge Parkway.
yeah, we're getting off the Tame Bridge Parkway. There you go. I don't know how the stem ridges came out, but this is a maybe, not a definite. I might do a little slideshow at the end of the video. All the different pictures. Be a lot of 350s there. Right. I'll see you all in a minute when I get off. Hello again. This is the first time I've been to Tame Bridge Parkway. It's like the first time I went to Bescot Stadium as well. So now departing will be the 1343 London North Western Railway service from Wolverhampton, led by 35255. There we go. now arriving is the 1359 London North Western Railway service bound for
Take care and mind the
Walsall.
gap when you board the train.
Led by 35372.
It's going to Rugeley Trent Valley.
Oh, it's going to Rugeley Trent Valley. So it is. Cab road to depart with 35372, leading the 1359 London North Western Railway service bound for Rugeley Trent Valley. Yeah, sounds like the kids are having the time of their lives. Okay, now arriving will be the 1414 London North Western Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. And this is our final train of the day, so I shall end it here. So thank you all very much for watching. Do make sure, we'll be back here in the summer. Do make sure to smash that like button and click subscribe as well for more. So from me until next time, here at Bescot Stadium and right now, here at Tame Parkway, I shall see you all later. And this is 35117 as well, by the way. Is it even going to reach us? Yeah, it should do. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.